Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for your Glacier Bank account. If you've forgotten your password during the login process and you can't log into your account, then you've landed in the right place. Watch the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Open up your web browser first. In the address bar at the top, go ahead and type in www.glacierbank.com and search. Soon after you land into the official website of Glacier Bank, which looks like this, go to the upper right of the screen and you'll be able to see a login button. Give it a click and in the expanded field, go ahead and type in your username. After you're done, click login. On the next page, you should see an online banking password text box appeared on the display. If you happen to remember your password during the process, go ahead and type it into the text field. But if you don't remember it at all, go and click on this reset password link right beneath the submit button. Once you give it a click, you'll be taken to a next page where you'll need to re-enter your online banking ID in the first text box. Type in your email address that is associated with the account into the next field. Type in your email subject on the next. And finally, click on continue. Soon after you do that, you'll be directed on how you can change your password to a new one for your bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.